Hello, welcome to Andy's Cornish Creations. It's another update on the workshop build. It's been slow going because we've had low cloud and drizzle for about 2 weeks now, and it's been too wet to do much. But I'll show you what progress I've made, and I'm hoping to get a bit done today. So I'll show you what's been happening. See ivy over there. So managed to get this area flattened and got some gravel on there, tidied it all up. This is where the big piles of earth and rubble were. I've got some aggregate and got some sand and cement, and as you can see here, I've got all the blocks set up ready. I did manage to get a course of blocks down this side. Walk over to the other side and down here, but the the hail came down and then rain, and that stopped proceedings for another week. But as you can see, I'm ready to go, and hopefully I'll be able to get some blocks laid today. I've just been down to the beach, it's Boxing Day today, just been down to the beach and just for a bit of fresh air, and I've still got the back wall to do here, down here, and I've got the some of the internal walls still to do. So there's this one here and one across to there, and this side's the garage. This side's the workshop, and over there's the garage, and this is the entrance area. So I'm going to concentrate on the garage now, because it's taking a bit longer than I thought, and I'm going to concentrate on the workshop. I keep getting those two mixed up. I'm going to concentrate on the workshop, and then if I get the structure up, I'll be able to have some indoor work for when the weather is inclement, and I can work outside when it's good, and I can have stuff to do inside when the weather's too bad to be working outside. Yeah, so if I do get much done today, I'll post another update and let you have a look on this video. Okie doke, cheers. Hello again. Well, the holiday's over. I'm back at work tomorrow, and I haven't managed to get as much done as I hoped to get done, but I've got a little bit done, but the weather's just been so bad. We've had high winds, we've had rain, a couple of days when we hadn't got rain, and the frost came in and all the wet blocks froze together, and it's just not been a great time for getting any work done. But I'll show you a little bit of progress that's gone ahead, and take it from there. Right. I've started work on the corners. So this is the front corner of the garage. Where are we? There is the middle. That's the opening. That's the opening for the little walkway through to the back workshop. This is the entrance to the garage. Here you can see that's where I was working on the corner before, and I've got the other 4 corners up for the workshop end. I put a bit of pipe work through in case I want to install a little toilet or anything like that. So I've got the pipe work in place in case I decide to do that. So yeah, if I'd have a couple of days decent weather, I could join up these corners and really show a bit of progress, but the weather's just been too bad and it's too wet. The blocks are too wet to lay. I have managed to around the edge, I've managed to fill up all the broken concrete. It was like this before, so I've managed to fill up. I've still got this bit done to do yet. So I've got little bits done, but still an awful lot of work to go. But a bit of decent weather, and I'll be able to crack on. But as yet, you can see it's just horribly dull and wet, and it's the kind of fine drizzle that soaks you through, and it's just no good for laying blocks. So it's back to work tomorrow, and then hopefully next weekend we might have a bit decent weather and I can do a bit. Okay, so thanks for watching. My name's Andy Paramore. This is Andy's Cornish Creations, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.